Walk it in, Gilbert Point. We've had all the rough-ins are done. The wallboard is going up today. Tile prep. It's been a messy day here today. Everybody's gone. Master bedroom. Not quite back to normal. We got this master closet, pocket door. Provide a lot of room in here. We've got a small linen closet, vanity. We have a beautiful tile shower, a curb, bench with a glass around, laundry closet. So things are shaping up on this floor. Coming down to the basement here, got some wallboard up. It's not all done. Got the bar framed out. We got HVAC getting ready here. We'll be bringing lines across, run our ducting. Now we have a bathroom in here. Office stays. Had to do a lot of work this morning, drilling through this chimney, getting ready, bringing electrical in there. I'll get finished off tomorrow. Looking good. Bringing you up to the second floor here. Just a little bit of tile today. Look at that, looking good. The tub's in, wallboard, making progress.